Come on, Jojo. Tornado warning!
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
This is the National Weather Service office in Tulsa. Receiving signal was a test of a normal radio all hazards public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially male receivers, can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of a signal receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon local time. If there's a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of the broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. Warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. In Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Cole, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, Beaufort, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Opusky, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Wichita, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington, Western Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, Washington counties, Southwest Missouri, McDowell, Berry counties, and Southeast Kansas, Chautauqua, Alabama, and Montgomery counties. This concludes this week's